I grew up in the north, so I tended to poo-poo hurricanes. I thought, oh, they can't be that bad.
I mean, just the devastation in seeing boats and cars, and it was, and leaves blown off trees, and thinking about what people did on Sullivan's Island when the bridge was blown off, hanging off, and we just kept thinking, how did people survive?
Because it's very difficult to separate your family at times of stress, I did something very unique, and I had all the faculty open up their offices and told the nursing staff they could bring in sleeping bags and their children, and they could stay with, if they wanted, they could stay in psychiatry with their parent during the storm. I remember that we kind of battened down the hatches, and then the eye of the storm had come through, and we went to the lobby area of psychiatry, and the water was over the parking meters, and the palm trees were totally on their side, and that was the wind. And at the eye of the storm, it was so still, you couldn't hear anything.
A lot of the patients came in for bites and skin conditions and wounds. I saw several people who had spider bites, and those were pretty intense to care for. The terror it was just, I've seen things since, but nothing like that. But beyond that, I remember the communities pulling together.